What's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we got the 2017 Audi A7 back from the shop. So the bumper, the fender, the two doors, along with the quarter panel on the passenger side got repainted. So it's all complete, it's done. Obviously it's snowing, so I won't be able to show you guys much. But on the next video, when I do the detail, I'll be able to walk around, show you guys more of the detail and what it looks like. It's looking real good. But right now we're going to be going to another shop. We're going to take it to a mechanic who's going to be working on the suspension. So the knuckle along with the spindle is going to be replaced, as it is definitely slanted. And then he's also going to do a full alignment on the car. But yeah, after that, we're going to start working on those mods. Simple mods. I'm not going to put too much money into it. It's looking already pretty good. I like the way it looks. And then yeah, I'll also give you guys a breakdown of what it cost me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be very simple. I'm just gonna film the process of him replacing that knuckle, and yeah, that'll be it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it, share it, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.